G'day guys, Define from Define Mods. Thought I'd post this one up. Every now and then I come across something really cool on the internet, especially in the 3D printing game, and this guy's come up with exactly just what I needed. And it's a it's a LazySusan, and this thing is just so simple, so easy, and so cheap to make that I did it. As you can see, this guy's having a ball, but I just wanted to push mine and just see exactly what you needed, and how much weight one of these things could run from this little tiny motor. So I pretty much just copied this guy, and there's his parts list. I'll post a link to this in the description. But there's mine. It's such an easy print. I just printed it inside on the bamboos. He does link a larger platform if you want to run a larger platform. So basically it just uses an old, not even warm, basically it uses an old microwave motor, an AC motor from an old microwave. You know, walking down the street, you see these things thrown out all the time. The junkers usually pull something out of them, I'm not sure what, but usually by the time I get to them they're open, and I've just got to unbolt the two little bolts and take the motors out. I've used a lamp base cord, plugged it in. Simple, a couple of bucks if you don't have one. A couple of spade connectors, and then the only other hardware you're going to need are those little 608Z bearings, and like most printer modders, or you know, if you're into doing anything to printers, you'll have a bunch of those, because basically you use them on everything. You know, these little, you know, anything you want to roll in the 3D printed world uses a 608 bearing. But there it is. And mate, so easy to assemble, so easy to put together. You know, flick of the switch and it just starts going. But what I wanted to do is, and why I actually built this was because I've got a smaller one over here, and this has been good, but it won't do weight. You know, if I put anything over a kilo, if I put a roll of filament, one roll of filament on this, it'll struggle to turn. But it's been great, you know, for little figurines and the likes. You know, if you want to do a little figurine and have him spinning around, you can do that. There it goes. Fantastic. But I wanted to do things a little bit bigger, like my baby. And I'm happy to report, and you'll probably see a video somewhere, that this does it. But I really wanted to test this out, so I bought out a couple of rolls of my favourite filament from Cinnamon. These are all full rolls, and I thought I'd just start stacking them away and see when it stops. You know, 4 or 5 kilos, which would be pretty impressive if that little motor could turn 4 or 5 kilos. But let's just have a look. I mean, I'm not going to be too precious about how. No drama was with 1 kilo. That's 2 kilo filament. Doesn't seem to be balking. I can't hear any noise coming from the motor. We'll go 3, see how we go. I reckon we'll be getting somewhere close to where it's going to shut down. I mean, not a lot of prints weigh 3 kilos. Not a lot of prints weigh 4 kilos. Shit. 5. 6 kilos of filament. There we go for 7. 8. Holy shit. That's 8 kilos. 9 kilos. And it's still turning. Hasn't lost 1 ounce of speed. Look at that. Let's go for the big 10. 10 kilos. Man, that's 10 kilos on this tiny little motorized LazySusan. Wow. Oh, what the heck. I got one more roll, why not? Let's see. 11 kilos. Hot dog. There you go, guys. Is this thing worth it or what? There's nothing lazy about this, Susan. This is a powerhouse. I'm sure if I had a few more full rolls, we could go right up to the ceiling. But look, that proves the point. That's 11 kilos being turned on that tiny little platform. So there you go, guys. Go print one now.